Yogurt. It offers high-quality protein, probiotics, and calcium benefits. Protein. Yogurt is a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting overall growth and development. Probiotics. Yogurt contains beneficial live bacteria cultures. These probiotics promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria, important for digestive health, immunity, and overall well-being. Calcium. Yogurt is rich in calcium, a mineral necessary for strong bones and teeth, blood clotting, and proper muscle and nerve function. Vitamins. Yogurt is rich in vitamin B complex, important for energy metabolism, cell function, and overall health. Weight management. The protein and fat content in yogurt can promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular yogurt consumption can reduce risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Blood pressure regulation. Yogurt has a positive effect on blood pressure control due to its calcium and magnesium content. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.